Did you know that you can get a signal by buying or sell in the market by the only using these three candlestick patterns? That's why today's video we are going to show you how to enter in the market by using these three candlesticks. We are going to also explain the rules based on to use those candlesticks, which will make you a professional trader, whether you're a scalper, professional trader, positional trader, swing trader, or an investor. And those three candlesticks are working in all time frames. Okay guys, mu kanya gato cyane rero abantu bumva ikinyarwanda mbafitiye agatangazo. Okay guys, that sounds amazing. Subscribe on the channel, like the video, and leave the comment below. We are going to be back in a minute on our today's video to explain to you those three secrets of the candlestick patterns that we use in the market to make money. Okay guys, ku bantu bumva ikinyarwanda kugira ngo mbashe kuba nabafasha neza, ndimo gutegura community y'abantu tuzajya tuhurira ku group ya WhatsApp, ndetse kugira ngo ngerageze kugenda mbafasha kugira ngo understanding neza ibyo turimo kwiga. So muri description hasi harimo number iri kuri WhatsApp. Niba ushaka kuzajoininga community, tangira unyandikire uyu munsi hanyuma ngusobanurire uburyo tuzabikoramo kugira ngo biborohereze, cyane cyane ko hariho abantu baba bavuga yuko batarimo kumva neza ururimi, nkeka yuko bizabafasha cyane. So we want to be together, tugomba kuba hamwe kugira ngo dufatanye, tugendane, tumenye uburyo twa trading tugakora amafaranga in the market. Okay, welcome back. So, first and fast, before you enter in the market to buy or sell, you have to know the direction of the market. If you're in the uptrend or the downtrend. Remember, in our previous videos, we've been talking about the formation of uptrend and downtrend. As I can see, we are in the uptrend. Okay, the market is moving up. We reverse it from this area by moving up. As the market is moving up, I have to check which areas am I rejecting from, because we are now in the pullback or a reversal. We don't know until we check everything that I'm going to be explained to you. Okay, first thing first, you have to know left hand side and see where we're rejecting from. Okay, so now we are rejecting from these areas. Okay, this is our previous supply area where we can sell from. Okay, so now, as long as we are rejecting from this area, which is stronger, that is the sign that we have the signal of changing the trend direction. So we've been moving up. Now we are expecting to change the direction to the downside. Okay, that is the first. Secondly, we have to look on which kind of chart patterns are we forming. Okay, remember, when we are moving in the downtrend, means that we are making lower low, lower high, to lower low, to lower high, to lower low. So let's make sure that we have everything we need to enter for sale or to confirm that the market is changing the direction. Okay, as I can see from this chart pattern here, I have head and shoulder. Okay, I have head and shoulder from the area where we are rejecting from. This is a head and shoulder. This is a formation of head and shoulder. Okay, the neckline or a supply area can be from this area and even from this area. So at this point, I will be looking for the market to retest from this area. I can sell from there by expecting to go for lower low, or retesting from this area and expect to go for lower low again. Okay, let's see what the market is gonna give us. Remember, we are focusing on the candlesticks. Since we are expecting the downtrend, here we are focusing on shooting star, bearish engulfing, and bearish harami. Let's wait and see what the market is gonna give us from this area so that we can confirm that we are going to enter for sale with the confirmation of candlestick chart patterns. Okay, so let's see, the market is breaking below, which makes a lower low. Okay, so let's keep seeing this one. So we rejected from this area by pulling back. If we get a pullback from this area, a retracement from this area, I will be looking for a shooting star, bearish engulfing, or bearish harami. Okay, let's see if we can get there. Okay, let's see what happened. So now we got a retracement from this area and we have a confirmation of bearish engulfing, so I'm going to take a sell from this area by anticipating the price to move down. Okay, so I'm gonna take a short from this area. I'm expecting the next candle to move lower than the previous to continue in the downtrend direction. So also again, as long as I'm taking this trade, I will look also for another opportunity if we break even below by making a lower low. If we break below this support area, I will be looking also again for retracement from this area so that I can focus on my candlesticks. Okay, so on the first entry we got the bearish engulfing. Let's see what we're gonna get for the next confirmation from the chart pattern. Okay, we are making a lower low. Now this is what is happening. As long as we are making a retracement or rejecting from down here, we are retesting with this candle from our previous candle. Also, this is also an opportunity to go for sale. As long as this body of the bearish candle broke below the previous low, this is a sign that we are going to continue in the downtrend. So now we are looking for a bearish candle to even look for another opportunity to enter the market. Okay, let's wait for that candle to confirm that we are moving down. Okay, again we got a bearish engulfing. Okay, so here we are going to be entering for sell. Okay, let's see how we can enter from this area. The stop loss is going to be above the previous high. Okay, anticipating the price to continue legging down or moving in the downtrend. Okay, we entered from this area. Let's see also the next opportunity I will be looking for will be the candlestick that will be also making a retracement from our previous support of the candlestick. Okay, this one. So let's see if we can keep moving down and get that confirmation from the retracement. So we are now moving down. We are in the profit. Okay, retracement from our previous low where we got this support of a bullish candle. Now we are looking for a bearish candle to confirm that we are going to continue in the downtrend. Okay, now we got a bearish candle, which is a bearish what? A bearish engulfing, because this candle is bigger than this one, which gives the name of bearish engulfing. Okay, so now I'm gonna be entering from there by anticipating the market to continue moving down. Enter from this area. My stop loss this time I'm gonna put it from above that area, anticipating the price to continue moving down. Okay, let's see what the market is gonna give us from here. We are still in the good position. Okay, we are breaking down. We are in the profit now. So again, what I'm gonna be looking for next is that also another opportunity will be coming from the retracement of the candlesticks of bullish candlesticks will be retesting from this area. So I will be focusing on those bearish candlestick patterns, okay, so that I can continue to move down. I'll be waiting for retracement from this area to continue moving down. Okay, let's see if we can get that confirmation or that retracement to continue moving down. Okay, now we got an amazing retracement from this area. This is a shooting star. On the first entry, we got what? We got a bearish engulfing. On the second entry, we got a bearish engulfing also. On even the third, this was a bearish engulfing. So now we got a shooting star. Okay, so also I'm gonna take this opportunity to enter for sale. Okay, my stop loss, I'm gonna keep it above this stronger area. Okay, by anticipating the market to continue moving down. The target will be 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see what the market is gonna give us from this area. Okay, we got another shooting star. We are moving down. We are in the profit. So again, what I'm gonna be waiting for is also another opportunity to retrace from this area. Okay, so if I got retracement from this area, I will also be looking for sell again. So let's see what the market is gonna give us. The market is continuing moving down. Let's see if we can get a retracement from that area. We didn't touch there. So now we continue moving down. So as long as you are not getting this retracement, this is an imbalance pullback we got from this area. I have to wait until I get that candle that I'm waiting for. So that's why you have to be patient and wait for your confirmation. Do not jump in the market just because of the volume. Okay, let's see if we can get that pullback from our previous low so that we can go for bearish. So we got a retracement from this area. I'm waiting for a bearish what? A bearish candle, which will be bearish engulfing or bearish harami, or even a what? Or even a shooting star. So let me see. We got this bearish engulfing, which is so long. So even here from this area, as we are rejecting from this area, we are forming some kind of chart pattern where we have to be careful with this area. Before we decide to enter there, we have also to take a look on the left hand side and connect this area to our previous area and see if we are not rejecting from strong area. So as you can see, we are rejecting from this strong area. As long as I'm in this consolidation, now I have how many trades? 1, 2, 3, and 4. They are all got the TP. So now what I'm gonna be looking for or focusing on is to break below. Remember, in our previous videos, been talking about the different kinds of chart patterns which are continuation. So this one maybe will be forming a rectangle. So when we break below this rectangle, we are going to be expecting to continue in the downside. So let's see what the market is gonna give us here. We are not going to take a trade until we break below. Okay, so we are moving down, so rejected from there. As we are rejecting here, there is a picture that we are seeing from this chart. Okay, so now we are forming some kind of inverse head and shoulder from this area, which was tested multiple times, because as we checked from the left hand side, this is a rejection from this area. So we have to be careful with this area. When we start breaking these areas of resistance, this one and even this one, we have two demand zone. So we're gonna be looking for buy from those areas. Okay, let's see what we're gonna get from the market. Market is pushing up in the consolidation now. Okay, so now we broke above. So as I was talking about, I'm waiting to buy from these two areas. Okay, I will be looking for the confirmation from these areas. That confirmation I'm looking for, when we get a pullback from this area, I will be looking for bullish candles, which are bullish engulfing, bullish harami, or a hammer, so that I can buy from this area or again from this area. So that's what I'm gonna be looking for from those demand areas, okay, which are also neckline. Let's see what the market is gonna give us here. So we got a retracement. Let's wait and see if we can get a bullish engulfing or a bullish harami or any kind of hammer. Okay, so now the market decided to come back into consolidation, and this area above here is act as what? As a fake out. Remember in our previous videos. Okay, so we came back in the consolidation. We are rejecting from this shoulder. So now we are moving up. Okay, again, I'm still waiting for the market to break above and what? And make a retracement from this area so that it can enter from there. Okay, let's wait and see. We came back in the consolidation. Now we are in this area. Let's see what the market is gonna give us with the candlestick that we are looking for. So now we decide to break above. As long as you are breaking above, I have now three areas. I have this one. This one is a what? This is a resistance, and this one is a resistance. Those are neckline areas, those are demand areas, and even I have this here, which is not strong enough. And let's see what is gonna happen with the market. Are we pulling back to go for buy? Okay, pull back, rejected from there. So we rejected from this area. So at this time, we are going to enter for our first trade to buy. So as long as you are expecting the market to reverse, you are expecting a big what? A big profit or a long distance for the TP. So now we are going to enter from this bullish what? Bullish harami, but the stop loss will be below the formation of the what? Of a shoulder. Okay, as long as you are expecting the market to go for long distance with a big profit, so let's take also a look from the left and see where are we gonna be targeting. Okay, so this is our target. We are targeting from this area. So let's see if our profit is bigger. Okay, so now we are standing well. Okay, this is our profit from this area. So we are expecting the market to move up. So remember, we got this confirmation of the candle. So, and even remember, as long as we are moving up, as long as we broke above and we got this retracement from this candle, we are also going to keep in our mind that we still have some areas where we can come back to balance with also confirmation to continue bullish. Okay, let's see what happened here. We are moving up. Okay, we are in the profit. So as long as we are moving up, we have some areas where we took a sell from, and those areas are areas where you can secure some profits when we are buying. You can secure from this area. So now we got a TP1. Let's see what the market is going to give us. Okay, so also we created this resistance area. I will be looking for the candlestick to make a retracement from this area, but at this time I will be careful because there is a gap between this area where I didn't come back to make a retracement. Okay, so the areas I'm gonna be waiting from also, apart from retesting from this area, this is another demand areas we left from this area. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's wait and see what the market is gonna give us from there. Okay, we got a retracement from this area. Let's see. Okay, now we got a good bullish what? Bullish harami. So at this time, I'm gonna be entering for a trade for just few pips, because we entered from an imbalance area. Okay, we entered from a small pullback. Remember in our previous videos, we entered from a small pullback. Our target will be from this area. The stop loss is gonna be below the previous low of the candle. Let's see, we can get a target from there. Okay, now we got a target from there, and this area we have to keep it in our mind. Maybe we can come back there. So now we are coming back in our areas which are imbalanced. Why are we talking about imbalance areas? Because when the market is moving, like for example we are in the uptrend now, we need the market to be making high highs and higher lows. Okay, high highs and higher lows. So I need the retracement from the previous resistance to turn into support. Okay, I will be looking for entry from this area where the market is balanced. And when the market is balanced by making high highs and higher lows, where the resistance turns into support, at that moment it will be a very stronger signal that the market is going to continue in the uptrend. I'm talking about the uptrend direction. So let's see what the market is going to give us from there. Okay, so let's see if the market can come back in our previous areas where are imbalanced, because we didn't retest from this area, we didn't retest from this area, and we didn't even retest from this neckline area. Okay, let's see if the market can come back and we get the chance to buy from there also again. Okay, let's see. Remember, we took 2 trades and we won them, so we are rejecting also from this area. So let's see if we can get those confirmation of the candles. Okay, there's no confirmation of our candles that we are looking for from this area. Let's see what happened. Okay, we decided to move up. We need to wait even from this area. Let's see. Okay, now here let's see what happened. If we can get, okay, this is also an opportunity to enter for buy, but this time the stop loss will be, if you enter from this area, there is something that you cannot change. Okay, if you enter from this area, let's say for example you enter from this area, the stop loss have to be below the previous low, which is stronger, because also we left some area where we can make a retracement so that we can go for buy. So if you decide to buy from here, at that point means that your stop loss will be below this area. So, and that stop loss will be like the same size as the profit. So we leave that trade. Okay, we are not taking that trade. Let's see what the market is gonna give us until we make a retracement from our previous areas which are not balanced. Okay, we are still moving up. So as long as we are breaking above from this area, this one, we are now getting closer to our target. Okay, I'm waiting for also retracement from this area so that I can get those candlesticks to go for buy. Let's see what happened. So okay, we rejected from there. We decided to pull back. Okay, we are now pulling back. Okay, we are rejecting from this area where I'm not gonna enter from there. Let's see what the market is gonna give us. Okay, so now we get an engulfing candle. So we need to break above this area and make a retracement so that we can confirm to go and fill this area. So are we gonna get that confirmation or we are going to move down? So we are still in the consolidation. Let's see what happened. We decided to break below. Okay, moving below, consolidation. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna be doing now. I will wait for a stronger retracement or like a deep pullback from this area. Let's take it together. Okay, I'm gonna be looking at the same time. Remember, as long as you targeted those areas, means that we have secured some profits. Okay, so now I'm gonna be waiting for a retracement from this area so that I can go for buy. So let's see what happens if the market can get there down and then we go for buy. Okay, we are rejecting from this area, so also I'm gonna be waiting from this area. Okay, let's see what the market is gonna give us. Okay, we decided to move up. Okay, you see from this area, this is what I was talking about. Okay, we rejected from this area with these bullish candles. So as long as we are breaking above from this area, I will be looking for a retracement to also go for buy. So let's see if I can get that confirmation to go and target from my previous. Okay, we are making a retracement from this area. Okay, let's see if we can get bullish engulfing or N. Okay, now we got these candles where I can enter for the third. My stop loss will be below the previous low, and my target is now big, looking for this area. So let's see, let's enter from there and see what happens. Okay, let's see if we can get to our target. Okay, the market is moving up. As we are coming back from this area, we are still struggling to get up. So, and okay, as you can see, we've been taking different kinds of trades with the confirmation of bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, hammer, shooting star, bearish harami, and bullish what? And bullish harami. So that this is where the market is now. We are approaching to get to our target. This is Euro USD. So the next week, you are going to be waiting for a retracement at least from these areas, so that we can confirm that we are going to continue until you get to our target. Okay guys, that's how we use bearish engulfing, bullish engulfing, shooting star, a hammer, bullish harami, and even bearish harami. So if you want to be master in this strategy, you have to backtest at least 100 times. At that time, you will be confident to use this strategy and make money in the market consistently. So don't be lazy, just work on that. You will make money that you didn't even expect to make in the market. So guys, thank you so much for your time. Remember to subscribe on the channel. Give us that favor to subscribe on the channel, like the video, leave the comment below, and we see you in the next video. Ciao.